in and I'm going to show you all how to solve a system of equations using 3 variables. The purpose of this is to find the value for 3 variables, which is x, y, and z. So for step 1, I chose 2 of the 3 original equations and I have to eliminate 1 variable, and I decided to eliminate x. So for this equation, I multiplied this by -1, giving me this, and I combined these 2 equations, which gave me my first equation. Then for step 2, you go back and choose another 2 equations, and you eliminate the same variable, which is x. So for this one, I multiplied this equation by -2, giving me this. So now I have these 2 equations, and I have to combine them in step 3, which is right here. So we have z left alone, so I'm going to eliminate z. By doing that, I'm going to multiply this equation by -8, giving me this. So then we have 42y equals 200, and then you divide both numbers by 42, and your y is 4. I then, for step 4, plug in y into this equation and get 8 plus 8z equals 32. You then subtract both sides by 8, and you get z equals -5. So now you have y and you have z. So in step 5, you take y and z and plug it into one of the original equations, and I chose this one because we don't have an x. So then we have x plus 8 minus 5 equals 10. Combine those, we have x plus 3 equals 10, subtract 3 by both sides, and then you have x is 7. Now to make sure that these variables are correct, you will plug x, y, and z into one of the original equations. So x will be 7 plus 2, 4 plus -5 equals 10. These two are 8 plus -5, 10 plus 7. So then we have 7 plus 3 equals 10. And that's how you solve a system of equations.